So right now we figured out how to move these numbers over according to what date their column of interest is in. So what if, I'll put in a different series here, what if we want to make the size of the array different, right? So right now, the macro itself, if we come in here and look at it, it defines the source cell range straight away. It's from 1 to 5, and that's just all you get, right? Well, what if I want to, in some cases, bring over 20 bits of data? In other cases, I want to bring over 30 bits of data. How could I go about doing that? Well, we're going to need to have a variable. So let's put in a variable. We'll call it number of rows. Not bad. And in the number of rows category right here, I'm going to put, let's say, 5. All right. Need to move this over a little bit just to give us some room. So that's in cell D3. All right, let's go back over to our spreadsheet. How about if I come in right underneath here and we'll define a new variable. Let's call it onum, right? Easy. So the number of rows. And let's take this. It says sheet get cell range by name. B1. Well, that's already typed. I'll copy that. Equals. Actually, it's easier to read if you put a space. You're allowed to put one space in between. And I think we said it was D4. Delete D. And delete 4. Okay, that's kind of cool. Let's have a look, make sure that I remembered that correctly. Good thing I checked, yeah, because it's in D3. Nice. The easiest way to get it wrong is to do something stupid. Okay, so that number now is consistent. It's that many cells. Okay, so what if I were to go over here where this says 5? And what if I do backspace and I say, I don't know, onum, not mum, point get value. Right, and that's where the 5 used to be. What if I come over here on this then in my destination? I don't want that to always be 5. What if I say onum point get value? So now the get value is going to be in the size of the destination, and the onum get value is in the size of my source range. Okay. Let's try this now. For the 14th, let's send over the first 5, just like that. And then how about on the 15th? 10/15. I had to erase that today thing. Let's send over 10. And now let's go back to mission control and check. And lo and behold, we can now have a user customizable ability to change the amount of information we're transferring. That makes this little routine over here pretty portable, right? It's the same basic code, but now I can decide how many data points I want to move over, as long as they exist right here. Thanks for watching.